we are here. We're doing a little review on some linear stuff. It looks like I'm wearing a turtleneck. I'm actually wearing my Grim Reaper costume, complete with sickle. Well, it is the. I mean, it's just black. With the sickle. Somebody asked me if I was the Grim Reaper. I said, "Well, we know I'm not the Slim Reaper," and we'll just go on from there. All right, so for people that don't think we review enough, all right. So right here, it doesn't matter which ones you did. Okay, you should end up with 1 as your slope. Now, your point slope, that can be written 2 different ways. It just depends on which way that you actually, which point you picked. There's that one, or you could have done this one. Either one is fine. Slope-intercept would have been y equals x plus 3. And, and remember, we actually get that by distributing and solving for y. All right. 10, 5. So our slope is 2. How many of y'all use the right point for all of them? Like the first coordinates? Yes? No? Some of y'all are like, oh, we had math? Yes. Yes, we did. All right. It's either one of these two that you did. So if I'm doing this one, 2x, so 2x minus 4, minus 5. So I add 5, add 5. I would end up getting that was not very clean and pretty. Eight times the charm. Add 5, add 5. I would get y equals 2x plus 1. So what's interesting is it doesn't matter which point that you pick, you're still going to get the same thing. Okay? You're still going to get the same slope intercept. Now, how many of y'all actually used your notes from yesterday? 2 people, 3. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Sorry, a little yawn. Everybody good with 1 and 2? Anybody need more time? Hopefully you're just checking your work, not actually writing it down for the first time. All right, for our slope, we get negative 1/3 this time. Now, I'm only going to do the point slope with one of these because yesterday, remember I said choose the easiest one, correct? This is the easiest point. It's got a 0 in it, okay? All right, so this goes away. We distribute. I get negative 1/3 x plus 10 over 3. Now, if you did 10 over 3 as a decimal, you're going to get like 3 point, you would get something like this. Okay. You're going to get some of these fractions as your y-intercepts, but you won't have to graph them, which is great. All right, so these two on the bottom, so I should have 12. 1 minus 1, 0. All right, so what's your slope for number 4? 0. Okay, which makes things a little bit more fun. Okay, so now we have y minus 1 equals 0 times x minus 6. So all this will go away. Y equals 1. Believe it or not, that's actually the way that's supposed to be written. Okay, this is one of our horizontal lines. Goodness, coffee's not kicking in. You should kind of notice, if you're kind of paying attention, like, wow, my y values are the same. The little hint for people that are, kind of observant, you see the y's are the same, you know it's going to be a horizontal line. X's are the same, it's going to be a vertical line, which is undefined. All right, good with 3 and 4. Anybody need more time? All right. This is where you probably needed room to do it. So for your x-intercept, we cover up the y, so we have 4x equals 8. So we have 2. And y-intercept's really easy. We just cover up the x. We just get 8. Okay? So we go over to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Between any 2 points is 1 line. Okay? All right, we go to number 5. Anybody need more time? All right. So for this one, your x-intercept, that's pretty easy. It's just 3. All right. And your y-intercept, we cover that up. We're left with negative y equals 3. So we should get 3. All right. Negative 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, almost. So close. All right, good here. Yes, no, maybe, kind of, sort of. All right, number 7, we cover up the y like this. We just get 6, so that's easy. Cover up the x. So 1, 2, 3, that one's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, almost perfect. Did anybody find some of this kind of easy today? Hopefully you did. I mean, some of this is kind of some of the easier stuff. Um, Hopefully you were finding it, not stressing out. May have forgotten some small things here and there, but not like, oh, I don't know what to do. Of course, if you didn't start, kind of difficult. All right, that's number 7. Ooh, number 8, we actually have to do stuff. All right, we covered this up. I'm left with 5x equals 10. So I get 2. Negative 2y equals 10. Negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So making sure we review so we know what's going on. Here's what's funny. Like if I, continuously like adjust my stuff by the way that people suggest on the after test things. Some of the people that I know who's actually writing what by handwriting, those people seem to always not be paying attention or not here or something. It's kind of funny. All right, good number 8. All right, number 9. 7x equals 21. As some of y'all were doing this, did you notice that usually these two numbers would be like that they would evenly divide this, or sometimes they're actually the other number that you need to divide to multiply to get to that? Some of these, it's like with the prime numbers. No, that's not prime. With some of these numbers, you should kind of see that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3. And did the grid show up okay on your papers? Good. No, seriously, I was working on those the um picture adjustments for those for a good time yesterday. What? Thank you for my efforts. Hey, Snacks, what is the number one request for a DJ at the homecoming dance? Yes, please stop. So, all right, and the last one. People are always like, the DJs are so bad at school dances. It's because there's only so much they're allowed to play. So they're like, I don't know why they don't play these songs. It's the theme song for Teen Mom. All right. And there's number 10. So not so bad. It had hopefully, had a nice little review of stuff we did yesterday and the day before. Um, this for number 10, this is actually what we did on Thursday and Friday. I can, but after I stop recording. So, and that means don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Stay farce. Roll tide.